Hello friends, today we will discuss the MCQs of Vygotsky theory with their answer and explanation. So first question of multiple choice question type is, according to Vygotsky, the zone of proximal development, which is known as ZPD, refers to options are A. Level of independent problem solving of a child. B. The difference between what a learner can do independently and what they can do with guidance. C. The ability of a learner to imitate others. D. The area of the brain responsible for cognitive development. Answer is B. The difference between what a learner can do independently and what they can do with guidance. It can be explained that ZPD is the central point or central to Vygotsky theory, which emphasizes that learning occurs when a child is supported in tasks they cannot complete alone but can achieve with assistance. So that assistance is known as scaffolding. What role does scaffolding play in Vygotsky theory? Options are: it allows children to build new physical structure. B. It provides temporary support to help a learner to perform a task. C. It measures the cognitive capacity of a child. D. It replaces the need for social interaction in learning. So answer is B. It provides temporary support to help a learner to perform tasks. Scaffolding is a technique where a teacher or mentor provides just enough assistance to help the learner to succeed in zone of proximal development, gradually reducing support as the learner becomes more competent. Third question is, Vygotsky emphasized the importance of which factor in cognitive development? For A. Biological maturation. B. Social interaction. C. Genetic predisposition. D. Intelligence quotient, that is IQ. Answer is social interaction. Explanation can be done. Vygotsky believed that cognitive development is heavily influenced by social and cultural contexts, with learning occurring through interaction with more knowledgeable others. Which of the following best describes the term more knowledgeable other, MKO, in Vygotsky theory? Option: an expert or adult who provides all answers to a learner. B. A peer, a teacher or adult who has more knowledge or skill in a specific area. C. A person of the same skill level as the learner. D. A theoretical concept unrelated to learning. Answer is a peer, teacher or adult who has more knowledge or skill in a specific area. The MKO, that is more knowledgeable other, refers to someone who assists the learner in understanding or performing tasks that fall within their ZPD or zone of proximal development. Question number 5. According to Vygotsky, language plays a crucial role in cognitive development because it is primarily used for social interaction only. B. It is not related to thinking processes. C. It helps in internalizing cultural tools and directing one's thinking. D. It remains unaffected by learning or environment. So answer is C. It helps in internalizing cultural tools and directing one's thinking. Vygotsky argued that language is a critical tool for thought and cognitive development. It facilitates communication, internal thought process, and learning cultural norms. Next question: what is the relationship between play and learning in Vygotsky theory? Options are: play is only recreational and unrelated to learning. B. Play helps children to develop abstract thinking and practice real-world skills. C. Play does not require any social interaction for learning. D. Play is secondary to formal education in cognitive development? Answer is B. Play helps children to develop abstract thinking and practice real-world skills. Vygotsky viewed play as essential for cognitive and social development. Through imaginative play, children explore roles, rules, and concepts, and it enables them to develop abstract thinking and problem-solving